The John Deere 9R and 9RT series tractors represent a powerful and technologically advanced solution for large-scale agricultural operations. These high-horsepower machines, ranging from 429 horsepower to 691 horsepower maximum engine power, are equipped with either the John Deere JD 1413.6 liter or the Cummins QSX 1515.0 liter engine, ensuring robust performance. Both the wheeled 9R models and the two-track 9RT models feature the efficient E18 PowerShift transmission with Efficiency Manager, offering 18 speeds and a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. A high-capacity closed-center hydraulic system with optional flow rates up to 416 liters per minute. The John Deere C850 air cart is a large-capacity tow-behind air cart designed for efficient and accurate seeding and fertilizer application in large-scale farming operations. It boasts a total capacity of 850 bushels, 29,953 liters, distributed across 4 tanks, a front tank with a capacity of 50 bushels, 1,762 liters. For low-rate applications, a second tank with 260 bushels, 9,162 liters. A third tank holding 130 bushels, 4,581 liters. The Liebherr LTM 1055-3 is a versatile, 3-axle, all-terrain, mobile crane, characterized by its compact dimensions and robust lifting capabilities, reaching a maximum capacity of 55 tons. Its telescopic boom extends from 10.2 meters to 40 meters, with options for mechanical swing-away jibs up to 16 meters, and an assembly jib, achieving a maximum hoist height of 56 meters. The crane is powered by a Liebherr diesel engine on both the carrier and superstructure featuring and standard 6x6 drive with an option for 6x3, allowing a top speed of 85 kilometers per hour. This crane configured with up to 12 tons of counterweight. The Liebherr LRB19 is a versatile piling and drilling rig designed for a wide range of applications in specialized civil engineering. It boasts an operating weight between 48.2 and 53.0 tons and is powered by a 450 kilowatt Liebherr diesel engine. 2. The LRB19 offers a maximum torque of 180 kilonewton-meters for drilling applications and a maximum crowd force of 250 kilonewtons, push, stow 165 kilonewtons, pull, with a travel distance of 13.4 meters. The hydraulic system features pumps delivering 2 times 410 liters per minute and 2 times 340 for attachments, with a hydraulic oil tank capacity of 770 liters. The crawler drive system. The Komatsu WA-47510 is a large wheel loader designed for high productivity and fuel efficiency in various applications, including quarry, waste, infrastructure, and forestry. It is powered by a Komatsu SAA 6D1 diesel engine, delivering a net horsepower of 290 horsepower at 160 RPM, and complying with EU Stage 5 and EPA Tier 4 final emission standards through a combination of Komatsu diesel particulate filter and selective catalytic reduction systems. The operating weight of the WA-475-10 ranges from 25,510 to 27,397 kilograms, 56,240 to 60,400 pounds. The Komatsu WA-475-11 is a robust and efficient wheel loader with an operating weight ranging from 25,620 to 25,890 kilograms and a bucket capacity of 4.2 to 5.2 cubic meters. powered by a Komatsu DBA127, 6-cylinder turbocharged and after-cooled engine producing a net 343 horsepower at 1,600 revolutions per minute. It meets US EPA Tier 4, Final, and EU Stage 5 emission standards. The loader features a Komatsu hydraulic mechanical transmission, KHMT, offering smooth and efficient travel speeds up to 38.0 kilometers per hour forward. The FAYMONVILLE Combi Max is a modular heavy-duty trailer system known for its flexibility and adaptability. It allows for various combinations of axle lines, goosenecks, and loading platforms to transport diverse heavy and oversized cargo. Two key features of the Combi Max system generally include Pendle axles for optimal load distribution and maneuverability on uneven terrain, hydraulic suspension. The system can be adapted with add-on beams, low beds, and other specialized components to suit specific transport requirements, with payload capacities reaching up to 250 tons, depending on the configuration. Van Riel, a company specializing in lifting, heavy transport. The Ortomec 8000 Green Line 3 is a self-propelled wheeled harvester engineered for the efficient harvesting of various leafy vegetables and bunching crops, featuring a robust, hot galvanized steel frame. Its adjustable track width ranging from 145 centimeters to 210 centimeters, and a variable harvesting width of 120 centimeters to 180 centimeters, provide adaptability to different field conditions and crop layouts, weighing approximately 1,400 kilograms. The machine is powered by a 25-horsepower Kubota 4-cylinder diesel engine and utilizes variable hydraulic transmission with 4-wheel drive, offering adjustable working speeds from 0.2 to 6 kilometers per hour. The Oxbow AR4BX is a high-performance, self-propelled 4-row potato harvester designed to deliver efficiency, durability, and gentle crop handling in demanding field conditions. Powered by a robust 550-horsepower Scania diesel engine, the AR4BX is equipped with a reliable Class Terra track drive system featuring 890mm wide tracks with a 14-ton bunker capacity and a 4-meter transport width. It is well suited for large-scale harvesting operations. This harvester boasts a Class Vista 2 cab that prioritizes operator comfort and control, featuring a 12-inch touchscreen interface that provides full system oversight. The Oxbo 9840 Research Combine is a specialized and high-performance machine meticulously engineered for the unique demands of seed research, prioritizing plot-to-plot purity and precise data collection. Powered by a 282-horsepower FPT Tier 4 F engine, it features a 200-bushel grain tank and a multi-crop capability, efficiently harvesting corn, soybeans, sorghum, and small grains with compatible 4-row bish heads. A key innovation is the smart staging technology coupled with the HarvestMaster H2 grain gauge tri-hopper system and seamless integration with MIRUS software for accurate and rapid data reporting. Additional features include steer-by-stalk, auto header height control, LED lighting, a comfortable cab, and optional fleet command telematics.